To properly style your human hair wig or hairpiece for volume and beach wave, you will need Jon Renau Heat Treat Thermal Spray, Jon Renau Boho Beach Mist, hair clips, curling iron, wide tooth comb, T-pins, a canvas blockhead, and wig clamp. Secure your wig to a canvas blockhead by applying 2 T-pins at the top of each of the ear tabs, just outside the lace front area, 2 at each of the lower ear tabs, and 2 T-pins at the nape. Do not pin through the lace front or monofilament top. Starting at the nape, take a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch section of hair. Using smaller sections for tighter curls and larger sections for looser curls. Spray 1 to 2 pumps of Heat Treat Thermal Spray to each section to protect the hair against heat damage while using heat styling tools. Wrap section around barrel of curling iron. Holding the ends with your fingertips, keep iron 1 to 2 inches away from base. Repeat process continuing up the wig, alternating directions to create natural wave. Finish with Boho Beach Mist for added texture.